What is up, everyone? Welcome to Canvaplay.
Hello, good hearts and godsends. It's your good heart VA Simon once again, and welcome to our channel Canva Play. Here we will share Canva design tutorials, tips, tricks, and hacks that will elevate your Canva skills for free. For those who are new to this channel, you can subscribe to our channel if you find it helpful and get updated on the latest posts we share here from time to time by turning on your notifications. Lighting or illumination is the intended use of light to achieve aesthetic effects. In theater, a lighting designer or LD works hard to create the lighting effects by keeping in mind issues of visibility and creativity. They are a real lighting designer. They are the experts on how to set and focus the lighting in the right area of their subjects. Great lighting creates depth and height, cozy spots, and draws attention to your most impressive areas. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a lighting effect, not only one light to use but a dual lighting effect on a certain subject photo to create a beautiful and artistic look design. Here is the sample that I will create. I am now in a blank Canva design editor. Drag an image from photos or uploads. I'll get mine from uploads, and this photo was taken from other photo stock sites using a keyword in searching pretty woman at pink. Duplicate the page containing the same photo for later use. Going back to the original page, I will set this image as my background. Leave it for a while. I will now go to the duplicated page and using this image, go to edit image, and click background remover to remove the image background. If you are a pro version user, you can automatically remove the background under edit image. If you are a free version user, you can use the free alternative background remover like remove.bg. I will put in the description box below the link to this alternative. If you want to have a Canva Pro account, I have a link in the description below that will give you access to 30 trial days of Canva Pro. It's completely free and you can cancel it at any time you want, hassle-free. Now let's proceed. Before clicking apply, I will check the image if there are areas to be restored or erased. In this photo, I will use the restore tool to restore certain portions that has been erased, like in this one. After this, I will click done and apply. To share with you a tip, don't move the edited image until you make sure that all changes saved, because there are some cases that your edits will not affect if you move the image right away. Now to be safe, I will wait for Canva to load and make sure the changes has been fully saved. I'm gonna resize it to fit the whole page. And lock it. I am now ready to create the dual lighting effect. Next step is I will go to elements and I'll search for the keyword gradient highlights. Go to graphics. A bountiful lighting elements will be shown down below. A beautiful lighting colors that you can use to beautify your lighting designs. In this design, I will use an obvious color like pink magenta color. The keyword of this is gradient highlight. In finding keywords, you need to do a depth search and a lot more time to search and find it. If you want to save time and find extraordinary keywords like this in Canva, we have created an ebook called Canva Deep. Canva Deep is an ebook of 900 plus Canva search keywords with visual presentations that are widely known and deep search to help you find the exact stack Canva resources for your day-to-day designs. I will position this element 75 degrees clockwise. Resize it to occupy the whole page and advisable to oversize it to pass over the page size. Like this. Then change the transparency to 45. After the first lighting, I will search or find another lighting element to make it a dual lighting effect. I will go over again to the choices and pick this yellow-green color having the same keyword like the other. The keyword is gradient highlight. Select. I will position this element 75 degrees clockwise. Resize it again to occupy the whole page and advisable to oversize it to pass over the page size. Place it on the other portion of the face of the subject photo. Then, I will change the transparency once more to 45. After I position the two lighting elements on their specific areas, I will now apply a setting for these two elements. Using the first element, I will go to Edit Image, go to Adjust, click See All, and I will apply these settings. Brightness 5, Contrast 5, Saturation 25, Blur -2, Warmth 15, Highlights -50. Now, I will use this same effect setting to the other lighting element. What I will do is I copy the filter code and I'll select the second element and paste it in here, the filter code, to apply the same settings. Now it's okay. After all this, I will download this image as a PNG. And I will upload it back to Canva. I will delete this page. Go back to the original page which I set aside a while ago. Wait for the PNG to upload. Get the uploaded PNG image from Uploads here. Go to Edit Image and remove again its background using Background Remover. After removing its background, let's check the image and find if there are portions that needs to be restored or erased. Upon looking on the image, I think it's already good, so I will click Done and apply. I will now apply an effect on this image to enhance the color of it. Go to Edit Image, find Photogenic, See All, search down and find the natural effect. Under Natural, click Fresco. and see how the picture became enhanced. I will resize it to overlay the original image background. I will now lock it. This is now the final result of my dual lighting effect made in Canva. That's it. For more design inspirations, watch this. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and to be updated with our upcoming videos, click subscribe. Drop your comments below for the tutorial you want to learn next time. Before I end this video, I hope I inspire your creativity. I'm Simon, your Good Heart VA, saying, sharing is caring. In behalf of Pinky, God sent VA, thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you don't miss the next video from Pinky with another exciting Canva tutorial. Bye guys, see you in the next video.